Hey gang, Chris Fry with Whip Mix back with you to wrap up the video segment that Ben Guilford and I have put together, taking a look at 3D printers and 3D print resin. And some of the key takeaways from this video series, that there's multiple factors that play into successful prints. Of course, the printer resolution makes a big difference in your success. The nesting, be it the cam or just nesting your prints. Designing with printing in mind, of course, is very important. And then last but not least, and very important as well, is the overall quality of the resin that you're using. So I hope those are some of the key takeaways you get from this series. And then the big thing to keep in mind, 3D printing is fun, right? It's most certainly a very cool technology that has really untapped possibilities, but then, have fun with it. One website that I like to point people to is Thingiverse. It's just that, thingiverse.com. You can see it here behind me. And what that is it's people share their STL files. They're all free. Christmas ornaments, gifts, if you can imagine it, it's pretty much on there. So most certainly, if there is any downtime in the lab or in the evenings, and you got a printer sitting there, go hit thingiverse.com, print a few things for your customers to drop off or for your employees, but most certainly have fun with it. Well, guys, again, thank you very much for following along on this video series where we took a look at the different types of 3D printers that are out there. We took a look at what is successful in 3D printing from the standpoint of nesting. Ben did a great job taking you through designing to be successful.
Some key takeaways, right?
Yep.
And we also had some troubleshooting in there.
A little troubleshooting was in there. Yeah, it went very well. Designing with printing in mind, the quality of the resins. But if you have any additional questions for Ben or I, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-626-5651. Again, for myself, Chris Fry, for Ben Guilford, thank you guys very much. We appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.